Okay. My deepest apologies to interrupt your night, but can we give once again a big and warm round of applause to the beautiful lady here on stage who gave us such a beautiful piece tonight. I think she deserves more than that. Come on. To whomever it may concern, I'm just here to perform one of the many acts of love. Since this gorgeous lady has been giving us such a sweet night, I believe, it would be nice to offer her one as well, just to be fair. Since you've been working so hard lately, like every single day, how does a dinner tonight for the two of us sound to your ears after dinner? Yeah? I mean, it's a date.
It's a date.
It's our first date, official first date. How does that sound? I mean, I hope you can wear the beautiful dress I prepared for you. I hope you can join me and let your voice be music to my ears for the rest of the night.
Yes, I will go to the Heaven, isama mo kami sa
Uy, kami dito.
Samahan nyo naman kami sa stage.
Kahit juice lang, baka naman.
Marco!
First of all, pwede pa translate muna na sinabi.
English pala yun. Hindi pala masyado nag-get.
Ang sarin ko nga lang date, so sabi ko, okay.
Sweet.
English kasi.
Kaya palang haba ng hair mo ngayon, ha, sis? In all fairness, talaga nakakakilig ng bonggang-bongga.
Yes.
Kamusta?
Saan muna natin sila?
Ito, feeling ko, sobrang sa'yo ng puso. I have a question, Marco.
Oh.
Why did you say that it's the first official? We're so
What's the meaning of this?
Kasi since October, no, we were like working almost every day. We didn't really have the time, and I said, why not? Why not now than late, you know? It's better late than never.
That's true. I have a follow-up question.
Parang doktor lang, may bala.
Is there a chance that you will also ask us to join you?
Huwag ka!
Moment nila yun nila eh.
Photographers, I'm just kidding.
Hire us as a photographer, waiter,
So, that's just a very sweet gesture what you did. Like,
Sobrang gentleman.